Hi, I'm Marty Noll. I'm with Palfinger Liftgates, and I'd like to show you our new PTV model railgate. Just a note, normally there's not a slider gate underneath. This is one of our 4 demo trucks that runs around the United States. This one's on the West Coast. What I want to do today is just show you real quick the operation of the gate and then talk about a couple things that are new and great. We put on a big stout bumper, so it'll take a lot of abuse. The gate is available in black. This particular one shows the optional galvanized. Operation's very simple. Pull it out of the saddle, push the 2 buttons, comes out in a very even motion. And one of the things we do unique is lift gates either come in gravity down or power down. This one is both. First portion is what's called gravity down. The motor's not working. Double tap and you kick the motor in. When you're in a colder climate, it will shove the platform down empty. This particular one's 84 inches. This is the longest one you can get for this particular body or this particular lift gate. And when you do that, you automatically get this folding ramp. And if you need a cart stop position, it's very simple. The other popular depth is 72. When you get 72, you normally get a fixed ramp. The gate comes with a 3-year full warranty, parts and labor, and is installed by various body OEMs or truck equipment houses if you already have the truck. Things that are also available on the lift gate are header kits, optional lighting, and a telematics program to alert you when it's in low voltage. Also, if you use the gate too much and don't drive the truck enough, there's a solar option. If you have any questions, it's palfinger.com. Palfinger Liftgates is the division I work for. Thank you for your time today.